It's an island boy, an island boy, and we're trying to make it. The Tres Leches, that is. How's everybody doing? This is Neff and Natalia. We're bringing you guys a different video from what we're used to. Why are you laughing? Different video from what we're used to doing, but we're gonna show you guys how to do a Puerto Rican style Tres Leches. So stay tuned. Lucky, shut up.
Is it going? Oh, okay. So the way that I start this off is with a box cake, because you can make it from scratch, but why are you gonna waste so much time on it when you can just use box cake? So I'm just gonna follow the instructions on the back. So I have my little pan here, whatever, anyways, and the little sifting thingy, so you don't get a whole lot of air pockets in the cake, or clumps, whatever you want to say. And then the recipe also calls for half a cup of oil and 1 cup of water and 3 eggs. And I'm just gonna use these little cups because it's a lot easier than using the other one. And then I just want to preface, this is how I make it. Okay, everybody does it differently. If you're gonna be in the comments being all negative about talking about how, oh, I don't make it like that. Okay, you don't make it like that, but keep watching the video because you already clicked on it.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay. So here we have the 1 cup of water. And then the half a cup of vegetable oil. Oh my god. And then the 3 eggs.
Preferably without shells.
I didn't put a shell in it. It didn't make a mess though.
Yep, we're gonna eat a lot of shells. The good thing about the shells is extra protein, so we're good.
I clean my mess. Okay. And then you're just gonna mix. If you have a whisk, obviously this is gonna be so easy and way faster, but I don't have one.
I think we do.
I don't like it.
Oh, we have one. She just doesn't like it. All right, we'll be right back.
Okay, so now that it's all mixed, oh, forgot to tell you, but we preheated the oven to 350 like the box says, and then we greased up our pans. So now we're just gonna pour it in, and I don't really listen to the times that the box says because it's never done in that time. So, and it also depends on your oven, and since we have an older oven, it takes a lot longer to cook. So we're gonna bring this over. here. Oh god. And then we're gonna pour the rest in another one.
Did you talk about the pan already had
That greased it?
that spray pan?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good.
Literally, someone doesn't listen.
I didn't hear you.
That was literally the second thing I said.
Oh.
And you could honestly put the entire cake batter in one of these, but I did that yesterday and it like overflowed like in a way, so we had to cut the top off to make it like fit, if that makes sense. So this time we're just not gonna do that. We're gonna put 2. Oh my god, ooh, I made a mess. All right, that's good. And I'm just 6 o'clock. Oh, perfect.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing. Okay. So it's 6 o'clock. I'm gonna put it in originally for like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna check it, and then I'll probably give it like 5 to 10 minute intervals depending on how the middle is looking.
And with the magic of the video editing, how long is it gonna be for them? 2 seconds?
Like 2 seconds. Yeah.
Alrighty.
Literally, I told him to give the bigger cake a hot minute because, you know, obviously this one finished first. And he just sits right in front of the oven. It's only been 4 minutes.
I gotta make sure.
Like, grab the camera. Come on. We're doing the milk. We're doing the milk.
Let's get it.
Okay, so for the milk, you're gonna need 1 can of evaporated milk and a whole can of condensed milk, and oh Lord, and I use a cup of whole milk. There are many different ways to do the milks. I've seen a lot where they use heavy cream, but I've never done it, so I can't tell you what's the difference between the taste. Oh my god. Can't even tell what's at. Okay, 1 cup of that, and then I like to put in, it literally doesn't even, oh my god, it literally doesn't even matter the order, but I like to put the condensed milk in first, just because it sits at the bottom, and then when you're mixing everything, or like when you're pouring it in, it like breaks it up a little bit. Oh, and I didn't open this, so. Where's the thing? Where's the thing?
Check in here.
In here?
I think so.
Oh, I don't know what it means. That's not where it belongs.
I don't know.
You're gonna mix that very well, making sure that you get all the condensed milk to mix in, because sometimes at the bottom of the bowl, like right over here, if you don't lift it up and look at it, let me see if you can see it. You can see it, right? You can see it sitting there?
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, if you don't, I recommend to look at it a few times, like even when you think you're done mixing, because sometimes like it will just sit there. Okay, so while I was mixing up the milk, what was I gonna say? Oh, while I was mixing up the milk, my dad went ahead and cut off the top of the big cake and made holes in it. And I also made holes in the little one. So now I'm just gonna use this little ladle thingy to put the milk in the cake. And you wanna make sure that it like fully absorbs before you keep adding it. Also, I have like a slight complaint. Next time I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna set up the tripod and stuff myself, because this overgrown man-child right here is not the move. He is so annoying and very impatient, knowing that this takes time.
Well, I gotta make sure it's done right.
He doesn't even know how to make it. Right? Oh, and then the bigger cake took 10 more minutes than the small one did, which was kind of expected, but yeah. Oh, this one needs more holes.
Only like 400 holes.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're making on the edges. Did you not do it on the edges?
So, knife.
Okay, so now time for the topping. You're gonna take this thing, and you're gonna take like
It's Cool Whip.
a Cool Whip, and you're gonna take half of it. I had half left over from the one that I did yesterday, and then I put it in a separate bowl because it's just easier for me to mix and not make a mess. And then you're gonna add liquid sweetener. It's just gonna be a few drops of this and almond extract, and then you're gonna start off with a little bit, and then you're gonna taste it, and then if it needs more, then it needs more. But if it doesn't, then it doesn't. But it's all up to your
liking.
Your liking. Okay. All right. Okay, cool. Just a few drops of that. Splash of that, and we mix, and you want to make sure that it's all fully incorporated. So like, the whole, all of the Cool Whip has the topping. I mean, what the fuck? Has the flavor.
Go. Okay,
So with what I put in the Cool Whip, it was fine. The little splash and the little sweetener. So then you're gonna spread this whipping topping on top of the cake, and then you're gonna also need sliced almonds and cinnamon. Going on here.
And then you gotta sing, "This is how we do it, baby."
Oh my gosh. And you want to make sure that the cake is cool to the touch, because if not, like, this stuff will melt into the cake, and then you won't even have a topping for it. Or you probably will, depending on how thick you put the layer. Like me. Should have done the small one first. Oh my god. Okay, well it's not even focusing, but anyways, this is the finished product. The almonds and the cinnamon, it's to your liking. I like more of both of those things in mine. Okay, that's fine. They're just looking at the cake.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, but yeah, that is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There might be some more in the future of me cooking because apparently I'm a chef.
I'll be with her. Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. We're back to doing videos. It was a few issues we were having, but we're back on track.
Goodbye.